In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in the new Outlook app. To get started, open the Outlook app on your device and make sure you're in the main Outlook window. Once the app is open, click on Mail so you're in the Email section. This is where you can create, read and send messages. Next, click New Mail to start composing a new email. A fresh message window will appear, and this is where you'll enter all the important details before sending your file. Begin by typing the recipient's email address into the To field. Make sure the address is correct, because even a small typo can cause the message to go to the wrong person or fail to send. After that, move down to the subject line and enter a clear subject for your email. A good subject helps the recipient understand what the email is about before they even open it, especially if you're sending a document, image, or another important file. Now, in the body of the email, type your message. Keep it short and clear if you're just sending a file, or add more context if the attachment needs explanation. For example, you might mention what the file contains or what the recipient should do with it. This helps make your email more professional and easier to understand. Once your message is ready, you can add the attachment. Click Attach File. Then browse your device to locate the file you want to send. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct file before attaching it. In many cases, you'll see the file appear in the message once it has been added successfully. That visual confirmation is useful because it lets you know the attachment is included before you send the email. If you're attaching a larger file, it may take a few seconds to upload, so give it a moment. It's also a good idea to quickly review your email one last time, including the recipient, subject, message, and attached file, just to avoid mistakes. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email, along with the attached file, will then be on its way to the recipient. That's all it takes to attach files in the new Outlook app. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.